Unveiling the mystery of scoop. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into the world of English phrases. Our topic of discussion is the versatile word, scoop. By the end of this video, you'll understand its different meanings and know how to use it in various contexts. Scoop primarily refers to a tool used to pick up and move a quantity of a soft or loose substance. Imagine you're at an ice cream parlor. The server uses a scoop to put your favorite flavor on a cone. Example: can I have 2 scoops of chocolate ice cream, please? But wait, there's more to this word. In journalism, a scoop can refer to a piece of news reported by one journalist or newspaper before all the others. Example: the local newspaper got a scoop on the mayor's plans for the new park. As a verb, scoop means to remove or lift something using a sweeping motion. Example: she scooped the ice cream out of the tub and into the bowl. In journalism, it also means to get information before other journalists or newspapers. Example: the reporter scooped her competitors by being the first to interview the celebrity. English loves idioms. There's a fun phrase, scoop someone up. This means to pick someone up, usually with a lot of energy or enthusiasm. Example: the child ran to her grandmother, who scooped her up into a big hug. And there you have it. Scoop is more than just a utensil in your kitchen. From ice cream parlors to newsrooms, this word has a variety of meanings in English. We hope this video helped clarify the different ways you can use scoop. Keep practicing, and you'll be scooping up English phrases in no time. See you in the next video.